Hey, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer. And here's the question I got. And the question was, how can a recruiting agency find and contact companies in the IT industry on LinkedIn in order to offer their HR services? That's a straightforward question, and then for those of us who've been using it for a long time, it's not a difficult question to answer, but maybe for those who have not been using LinkedIn much, it is a difficult question to answer. Maybe they're not sure. First of all, how can a recruiting agency how can you find IT-related companies on LinkedIn? And then once you find the companies, how do you find the right person? This takes a little bit of effort. So if you're using regular LinkedIn, free LinkedIn, and you're doing prospecting, be aware of this. You're going to run into the commercial use limit. And what that's going to do is limit the number of search results that you can get on LinkedIn when you're looking for people. Now, the commercial use limit does not affect searching for companies. So you can do that search, but then you've got to go in and look at all the people in those companies to find the right person. So what you might want to do, instead of looking for companies, what you might want to do is create a LinkedIn search and look for individuals in roles, in organization types, in specific regions. Let me say that again. Look for individuals in roles, in company types, in specific regions. And you're going to still hit the commercial use limit doing that. Drive the search down as small as you can to what, again, Seth Godin refers to is the smallest viable options or the smallest viable list, so you have something that you can work. And then when you build that search, I'm going to repeat this, for individuals in roles, in company types, in regions, maybe in industries, then do a saved search. And the only way you're going to get to saved search is by starting with a word in the search box on the top of LinkedIn. You've got to put a word there, then go to people, then go to all filters, and drive that search down to the smallest viable results and create a saved search. Now, by the way, free LinkedIn members, you can have 3 saved search alerts. And every week, the application is going to send you a new list of people who meet that criteria. And as you work these lists, the smaller lists become easier to work. The larger list will probably bump you into the commercial use limit, which, oh, by the way, refreshes every month. And you can, again, start working a new set of search results that LinkedIn sends you. So to answer the question, you're going to want to search for people in roles, in industries, in company segments, in regions, so that you can get a list of people who may be the kinds of people that are relevant to your goals. Now let's talk about the other half of this question. The other half of this question was, okay, so how do I find these people and how can I offer them my HR services? Well, you can't. That's not what LinkedIn is for. It's not for offering services. What LinkedIn is for is professional networking. So you find the right people and maybe you can connect with them. You find the right people and maybe once you connect with them, you start building some level of trust, respect, and likability through your content, through your engagement on LinkedIn. And in time, these people who are relevant to your goal, who you can connect with and or get introduced to so you can connect with, you start building some level of reputation with them. And at that point, you can invite them to a conversation and find out if they're interested in a discussion about your HR services. Look, LinkedIn is not the answer to making sales happen like this. That's not what LinkedIn is for. Yeah, maybe you'll bump into someone who has a need right now, but the big picture, the long journey of using LinkedIn is to find the people who are relevant to your goals, connect with them, engage with them, share content with them, develop trust, respect, and like, and then reach out to them along the journey and ask if they're interested in a conversation about their business and your business and how there could be some mutual benefit for a conversation. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer, and I hope this answer is helpful.